This lighter has an amazing flame and a really clever design.
And I am not frightened of dying. Any time will do, I don't mind. Why should I be frightened of dying? There's no reason for it, I've got to go sometime.